Space might seem silent, but it still speaks in eerie ways. Scientists have captured unsettling sounds from the far reaches of the universe: radio signals, plasma waves, and mysterious cosmic activity. These noises are unlike anything you'd imagine, and some are truly spine-chilling. Get ready as we dive into the 5 most terrifying sounds ever recorded in space. The creepiness of Uranus magnetic field. Voyager 2. Voyager 2's visit to Uranus in 1986 revealed something unsettling. Its magnetic field makes a shifting, crackling noise that sounds like something is lurking beneath the planet's frozen atmosphere. This is caused by powerful interactions with solar winds, but it sounds more like a coded alien distress call than natural physics. The bizarre alien signal. Wow, a signal. On August 15, 1977, a powerful, unexplained radio signal was detected from deep space. Known as the WOW signal, it lasted 72 seconds and has never been heard again. Some believe it was a natural phenomenon, while others think it could have been an extraterrestrial broadcast. The eerie beeping makes it one of the strangest sounds ever captured. The disturbing X-ray pulsar sounds. PS ABO 3 to 9 plus 54. Neutron stars are incredibly dense remnants of massive explosions, but when their pulses are converted into sound waves, they create an unsettling ticking or knocking sound. The rhythmic pulses of PSR BO 3 to 9 plus 54 sound like the heartbeat of something unnatural drifting through the cosmos. The sinister moans of Ganymede Juno probe. Juno's mission to Jupiter revealed that Ganymede emits haunting, wailing sounds. Scientists believe this is caused by interactions between Jupiter's powerful magnetosphere and Ganymede's ionosphere. But if you didn't know better, it would sound like something alive and suffering. The cold, empty echo of deep space. Voyager's golden record transmission. Perhaps the scariest sound of all is the silence of deep space, punctuated only by the lonely transmissions of Voyager's golden record. This message, meant for any intelligent life that may find it, has been drifting in the void for over 40 years. Will anyone ever hear it? Or will it continue, lost forever in the emptiness? Space is vast, beautiful, and terrifying. These sounds remind us that while we may not hear screams in space, the universe still has its own haunting voice. Which of these sounds gave you chills? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more eerie space mysteries.